Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got something new and exciting to share with you. We're going to take a look at the latest features from Fliki. I've done some videos in Fliki previously, and this one's pretty nice because they're now providing AI art into their workflow. The first thing they want, the first thing they have now, so going into the new section in Fliki, they're giving you idea to video with AI art. Previously, they already have idea to video feature, but now it's going to generate the image for you with the idea on itself. So have a quick look here. So it looks like it's going to help you create these AI images. The video could be short, medium, long, different styles. So let's jump into the dashboard and see how this works. Okay, we're now inside the Fliki dashboard. All you have to do is just click on New File. Here, select the language you want to choose. In this case, it will be English for today. Dialect, I can choose United Kingdom. File name, just give something very common, very simple. So let's say self motivation help. So you can start off with an empty file, an idea, blog, PowerPoint, or a tweet. So let's choose idea. All right, it's going to ask you a quick description. How to get help. 5 ways to stop eating junk food. Something really random. In this case, we'll choose the short format, and then the style, we want this to be more motivational because we want to stop them eating junk food. And then this is the new part, generate AI art for scenes. And then you can choose a style from 3D model, analog film, anime, cinematic, digital art, fantasy art, enhanced. So you're going to be playing around with these different choices. Let's choose analog film for this example. We'll hit submit. So do note that generating AI arts will consume additional credits in Fliki. So let's see how long this will take to generate in a 1-minute video. All right, it's loading right now. And the first image looks quite nice. Let's see what's giving me. So you can see on the left hand side, it's still generating those images in the script. Let's just scan through those images. Right here, the word is still a little bit off. So the path to healthier. And then these words are a bit scrambled. We got a lot of veggies here. Veggies, fruits. Looks like someone is standing here. 5 ways to stop eating junk food. And then let's look at the second layout. And yeah, that image looks very wonky. I mean, the concept's nice, but that person's face not too good. Third scene. Yep, I think this looks good. This looks fine. But yeah, it's not as detailed with the other AI art tools. And then let's just look at the other image. This one looks fine. And let's just go through all the different image. Oh, I think this one looks good. And this person definitely does not look good. Yeah, that looks weird too. All right, last scene. Yep, these are a bit more artistic. I think that's fine. So with 6 scenes, I think we got some wonky ones, like 1. Yeah, there's at least this one wasn't good. So there's 1 that wasn't good. This is fine. 3, I think there's at least 2 photos that isn't too good. So let's see if we can actually recreate this image. Yep, so you can just come in here, generate again. but then you just need to make sure what you want this photo to have in specific. And note that every single photo image will cost you 1 credit. So you can either do this in Fliki, or you can do it in some of the other AI tools. In some of other videos, I've done Bing Chat Create using DALL-E 3. So that's another option. If you want to see how to create images with DALL-E 3 using Bing, there's the video somewhere here. All right, let's just quickly go through the script. So the first one is 5 ways to stop eating junk food. We can choose the voice here. Inside Fliki, they have now differentiate standard voices and ultra-realistic voices. So for United Kingdom voice, these are all the selections. It's not as much as United States. If you click on US, there's way more voices to choose. For UK, that'll be these ones. So let's hear their voice.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Abby sounds nice, so let's try Amy.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Yeah, these two standard voices, I think they're pretty good. Let's try these ultra realistic voices. Although these are now in gray, it has to be on the premium. So if you want these premium voices, you have to use the premium version on Fliki.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Oh, I like that sound really good. It sounds really realistic.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Yeah, I think there's definitely a difference on the ultra realistic voices from Fliki. So depending on your need, on your requirement, how realistic do you want those voices, then like the upgrade's gonna be it's gonna be good. Let's try United States because there's a longer list here. And you notice that if you want like kids child to be on your video, there are these kind of brackets with child. Let's give some of these a try.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Yep, Harper's nice, and then standard voice, Sarah's probably the more go-to one for me.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Or Area.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
And then on the top, you can select the gender and then voice styles. Look for the ones that you got the lightning icon. So let's say Sarah. You can choose like different voice styles, whether you want it to be more cheerful, angry, sad, terrified. So I'll go with Sarah. And then apply this all to the voiceovers. So we got Sarah for each of these. And let's just play the first scene.
5 ways to stop eating junk food.
And then on the right hand side, you've got your sort of like control bar. You can control the voiceover's volume, the speed of the AI voice, and then the image position. Oh, sorry, that's the subtitle. So if you want subtitle in your video, then click on this, and then whether you want it to be on top, on bottom. Here's the font size you can play around with, and then the font type, and then font size. Displays whether it's phrase, highlight, sequence. Yeah, I think sequence nice. Let's try sequence.
5 ways to stop eating junk food.
Yeah, I think sequence is probably good for short videos. And then text colors, background colors, shadow colors. Yeah, definitely a lot of things you can play around with. And do you want animations like fade in, fade out, those standard animations? Once you are finished with this, you can apply to all the layers. And if you want the audio visualization, you can check that as well. And you can put it somewhere on the top. And if you want color to be blue, select blue here. And then let's play.
Ways to stop eating junk food.
So that was pretty cool. So I don't want this. I'll take it off. I'll take that off. Apply this to all the layers. Now that's done. So let's say I'm happy with this one. I can move on to the second scene. So this lady, I don't like it. Let's try to recreate this image. I'll come in here, generate a woman holding a basket of healthy ingredients of vegetables. And then let's create. All right, look at this one. I think it's probably better. I'll take this one. And now I've got this. Same thing. If you want to change the voice here, you can play around with it. I'm interested to see the layout on this. So you can place the photo on the left-hand side, right-hand side, and then if you want text to go on this spot, which is fine. So let's say I want to use this one, 50-50. And then let's see how this works.
For junk food? You're not alone, but it's time to take control.
So basically, it will shift the image on top and then it'll have the subtitle at the bottom. Oh, one point I forgot to mention is all the photos they generate here are one by one aspect ratios. If you want this to be something else, you have to go back to settings, select the aspect ratio. If this is going to be a short video, it'll be portrait. I'll hit save. And you'll notice the photos will be cropped, similar to this one. So you want to make sure you want the photos to be in landscape mode or in portrait mode. So go over all these different scenes, adjust the narratives, the script. If you're happy with this, then so that's basically how you can grab an idea and then turn it into a video alongside with the AI art from Fliki. I hope this was useful for those who are using Fliki or who want to try out Fliki. There's a link down below. You can sign up for free. If you want more content around Fliki, please leave a comment in my video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in these kind of topics, and I'll see you in the next one.